Welcome to a Market Matters weekly video update. Sean, quite a sombre week in Sydney this week, given what happened on Monday. Now, this market, we saw it bounce a little bit today. Is this the start of the Christmas rally you've been talking about for quite some time?
Christmas rally. Well, first thing is, obviously, as we know, it's a very, very tough time in Sydney for a lot of people at the moment. And all our thoughts go out to everyone involved, whether it be work colleagues or friends or family. Horrible time. And yesterday walking around Sydney was very strange. I've never heard the place so quiet. No one's talking, no one's laughing. Obviously we all have to come together and move on. So the market today tried to do that. It had a bounce. The Dow was off 90 points in a huge session, almost a 300-400 point turnaround. And what did we do today? We opened, we drove up really well, 60 points from the lows at one stage in the futures, closed up 10 points. I think a very good effort. The market's looking for a base for a Christmas bounce. Yeah. I've been saying Christmas rally potentially for a while. Let's forget that now. We're not going to get Christmas rally like we used to, 200-300 points. Christmas bounce. But I still believe it's a bounce to sell. Yeah. Looking to increase your cash positions, looking to buy back in the first quarter next year. The risks are still down. Yeah. So I've been saying for a while, I think that the Dow will fall 2,000 to 2,500 points. It's already fallen almost 1,000 points, 900 odd points. So we're halfway there. I think the whole thing could bounce a bit tonight. I think tonight's a big call. We've got the Fed talking, we'll get some announcements in the morning, interest rates, etc, etc. So I think I like being in cash. I like not having too many positions. Woodside today was great. Energy rallied hard. We had a great profit there in options. A lot of people have been asking me about options. I have to stress, it's quite sophisticated. It's trading, it's not investing. I'm not buying any energy stocks as an investment. No resource stocks as an investment. I'm looking to increase my cash positions into a rally. If we don't get that rally, I'll stay as we are. Yep. The only stocks I'd buy into weakness is gold, as you know. Yep. I'd go with Regis Resources. I'm sorry, it's getting boring, but sometimes the market is boring. At the moment, I'm not buying anything here, trading a bit around the edges. So just be careful. Christmas rally, the markets get very thin, as we saw today. They can rally very hard. They also can fall very hard. Yep. So enjoy Christmas. Let's have a bit of fun. There will be no report between Christmas and New Year. I'm taking my first week off this year. However, if the market does move, I'm only 5 minutes away in the city, so I'll come in and write something. Otherwise, talk to you soon.
Awesome, man. Just one quick one. With the index where it is now, you have hinted at selling a couple of your holdings, the last ones you got remaining. Is there a point on the index where you're going to look to get rid of your Bank of Queensland, get rid of your CBA, or are you just going to hold them through this potential correction you're talking about?
Okay, Bank of Queensland is actually arguably my favourite bank. I'm going to put a report out tomorrow around the bank, so I'm sure everyone will read that. They love the banks. Bank of Queensland looks good, but it's a small holding for me. It's a relatively small holding. I didn't buy enough at the lower levels. We were all guilty of that at times. And I was just going to take it off my book to clean up. Okay. Challenger, I'm not happy with the price action. I'm definitely going to sell that into a rally and move on elsewhere. I'm looking very closely at National Bank. So read tomorrow's report. National Bank is starting to catch my eye, overseas exposure, etc, etc. I think it could be the bank for the next 5 years.
Great. Thanks a lot for that update. And we'd like to wish everyone of the Market Matters viewers happy Christmas and a safe New Year.
Have a great Christmas.
Cheers.